If HandBrake is crashing or failing to finish a job, the fastest way to figure out what went wrong is to check the activity log. In this video, I'll show you how to find the HandBrake error log, where to open it during or after a crash, and how to locate the exact exit code or error message you need to troubleshoot the problem. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, it's important to understand what the activity log actually is. The activity log is a text file that records every action HandBrake takes. That means every encode attempt, every warning, every failure, and every error message is stored there. If HandBrake crashes, freezes, or stops working, this log is usually the only place where you can find the specific clue that explains why. So instead of guessing, you can use the log to identify the real problem. Now, if HandBrake is open and you just had a crash or failed encode, look at the top right corner of the main window and click the activity log button. That will open the log for the current session, and you can review the messages HandBrake generated while it was running. This is the easiest way to check what happened right away. If the job already finished or failed earlier, you can still access the log another way. Click the Q button, select the failed job from the list, and then click View Log. This is especially useful if you're troubleshooting a previous encode and need to go back and inspect the failure details. Once the log is open, look for the important lines near the end. That's usually where you'll find the exit code or the error message that matters most. These messages often tell you whether the issue is related to a bad source file, missing permissions, an unsupported codec, or a problem with the output destination. If you're not sure what to focus on, search for words like error, failed, exit, or warning. Those are the lines that usually point you in the right direction. If you're on Windows, you can also find HandBrake logs directly on your computer. Open File Explorer and go to the path %appdata%/handbrake/logs. Inside that folder, you'll find log files saved by HandBrake. This can be useful if the app closes unexpectedly or you can't open the log from inside the program. Just open the newest file and scroll through it to find the failure details. When you're reading the log, try to identify the exact line where the process breaks. Sometimes the error is very obvious, and sometimes it's buried in a long block of text. But once you know where to look, the log becomes one of the most powerful tools for fixing HandBrake issues. It can save you a lot of time because instead of trying random settings, you can solve the exact problem that caused the crash. So to recap, if HandBrake fails, open the activity log during or after the crash, or go through the queue and view log for older jobs. On Windows, you can also browse to the HandBrake logs folder inside App Data, then look for the exit code or specific error message because that is the key to fixing the issue. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.